Hi, I'm Emma, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to invest your first $100 and start building real wealth. The median American worker has $955 saved for retirement. Not $955,000, $955. That is not enough to survive 1 month. And right now, you are either part of that statistic or you are doing something about it. This video is for the second group. Here is what nobody is telling you. You do not have a saving problem. You have a system problem. The system was not built for you to win. It was built for you to spend. In 2026, inflation is running at 3.8%. Your savings account pays 0.5%. Do the math. Every dollar sitting in your bank account is losing purchasing power every single day. Saving money is not safe anymore. Investing is the only defense. You have $100 right now. That is not a small amount. That is a decision. Every wealthy person you admire started with a decision, not a salary. The question is not whether $100 is enough. The question is whether you are serious enough. Warren Buffett made his first investment at age 11. He later said his biggest mistake was waiting that long. You are watching this video. Do not make the same mistake. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA. Not a regular brokerage account, a Roth IRA. Here is why this matters. Every dollar you earn inside a Roth IRA is completely tax-free, forever. The government cannot touch it. Open it on Fidelity. It is free. It takes 7 minutes. There is no minimum balance required. You have no excuse. Forget individual stocks. Forget crypto. Forget options. Forget anything anyone on social media told you to buy. You are not here to gamble. You are here to build wealth. You are going to buy VOO. It is an ETF, an exchange-traded fund. One purchase gives you fractional ownership in 500 of the largest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Berkshire Hathaway, all of them, at once. The S&P 500, which VOO tracks, has returned an average of 10.7% per year since 1957. Through recessions, through crashes, through wars, through pandemics, it always recovers. It always grows. Time in the market beats timing the market, every single time. Now let me show you exactly what $100 per month does over time. Not estimates, not projections. Historical math based on real S&P 500 returns. $100 per month. Starting today, you touch nothing. Year 10, $20,484. Year 20, $76,570. Year 30, $226,049 from $100 a month. That is not magic. That is compound interest. Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. The people who understand it, earn it. The people who do not, pay it, now. What you must never do. Do not buy individual stocks with your first $100. You are not smarter than Goldman Sachs. Do not buy crypto with money you cannot afford to lose completely. Do not wait for the market to crash to invest. The best investors are not timers. They are buyers. Do not take financial advice from someone who does not have more money than you. And do not wait until you have more money to start. Start with what you have, now. Your action plan. 6 steps. Do them today. 1. Download Fidelity. 2. Open a Roth IRA account. 3. Transfer $100. 4. Search VOO. 5. Buy $100 worth. 6. Set up automatic $100 monthly investment. Then forget about it. That is it. No complexity, no confusion. 6 steps and you are ahead of 28% of Americans who have saved nothing. Most people who watch this video will do nothing. They will close this tab, open social media, and forget everything I just told them. That is a choice. And in 30 years, it will be the most expensive choice they ever made. You now know exactly what to do. The only question left is, are you the person who acts or the person who watches others get wealthy?
Start investing today. Your future wealth starts with one decision. Next video, Retirement Planning Guide. Stock Analysis Weekly. Subscribe.